So here I am giving it regarding the course which I've completed from NEET Data recently, which is XLR Mastery course. So the course was very well structured, organized, and have covered from basics to advanced levels problems. And also he had explained regarding pivot tables, data visualizations, etc. from basics to advanced level. Plus his way of teaching is very, what I say, very good. Means he explains very complex problems in very easy to understandable manner. Plus his way of teaching is good. He encourages students to ask questions, and we have work on a real world applications uh, at the time of course, and this course has helped me in physical scenarios in to excel in my job, and stuffs like excel my skills and upgrade my skills. So I would definitely recommend this course to anyone who would like to learn and grow up in their career. Thank you.